says nothing. Get my safety goggles. Safety first, safety last, safety everywhere.
Went with the blue pair, huh?
This is the very important part. So you can see what you're doing tomorrow.
Right.
Okay, so what will we be doing now?
Well, I told you I'd bring a challenge in here, and I brought a little challenge. It's not much of a challenge, but it's a challenge. All right, so I'm working on a rental, not a rental, a renovation. Too many rentals. This is a renovation. Yes. Anyway, I have a renovation that we're
revolution.
Yeah. So, working on a renovation, and we came to a situation where we have a 45-degree angled ceiling, and we're trying to hang a ceiling fan from it. And to make it easier, I came up with a harebrained idea to make my own bracket. So, here's what we're doing.
I'm making a 45-degree mount.
Yes. So, just pretend our ceiling is that drawing right there. So you can kind of see what we're jigging up and mocking up here. So
That one.
that one right there. All right. So I went and bought some flat stock and some round stock. So the flat stock is the main bracket, and then the round stock is the gusseting part of the bracket.
Cool. That'll work.
Who's Gus?
Gus and his cousin It.
Gus it.
Gus It.
All right, I like that one. Okay, so we've got this jigged up, and we're gonna cut a 4-inch piece, a 5.5-inch piece, and an 8-inch piece. And we're gonna weld those up.
And this is marked off at 4 inches right there already.
Sweet. All right, let's see some sparks fly.
Whack it. He said whack.
Whack it.
That's no bigger than them holes are and what that fan is. Putting a grade 8 quarter 20 would be plenty.
Overkill, right? Yeah.
That's just a little baby slot there. It's like a 1032 slot or something.
Yeah, 832 or a 632. Yeah, I think that's what they are. Yeah, it's
So we'll just drill them for a 1/4 inch bolt,
all right.
and we can lift the roof off with it.
That's right. We want this plate also, so we can drill some.
Yeah, we just
Yeah,
drill some random holes, and then
4
you
of
can
them.
pick out what you want.
Mm-hmm. Was that the right side?
Yeah, because the other side's in the middle. Better way. Clamp and a clamp.
Yep, doing both. Yep.
Or just clamp one side and turn it over and clamp the other side. You don't need no stinking vibes.
I could hold it and we could see what happens.
Yeah, I got Band-Aids.
It might make for a good video.
I got Band-Aids.
We're gonna need a whole lot more than a Band-Aid.
Oh, no.
I have health insurance, it's okay.
It only hurts for a minute.
That's right. You know what they say? The faster you go, the less it hurts.
What size drill bit do you use for a 1/4 former? A 1/4?
3/8?
We could look at a chart and tell what size drill bit. It says, for tapping purposes, which we're not gonna do, be a letter 7. What size is a letter 7? Get my rusty trusty chart.
Oh my God, we're overthinking the freaking ceiling, man.
I'll just need to drill a hole. 7.
Pick a hole.
7 is 201.
Can we drill one to where I don't need a washer?
Yeah. No, not without a washer. 204. And 204. There's 203, 13/64. Bolt will just fit. If I have a 13/64.
You could have asked me that. I already knew that.
Okay. Here's one for you. What did I say that was? Might have short-term memory.
1364. 1929?
That can't be right.
Need any Earl?
Nope. Not for this little skinny stuff. Is that right where we drill?
Looks good to me. Punch it, Margaret.
Okay, Ethel.
So when you're drilling into different flat stock of steel, I'm sure you can tell the different quality of the steel.
Yeah. Well, when it peels out like that, that's pretty good steel. It doesn't have a lot of carbon in it where it chips. The more carbon, the harder it is. The harder it is, the more brittle it is.
So that's good stuff then. Huh?
So when I went to school, that's what they told me
More carbon.
when I was in school.
They had school back then?
Yeah.
They called
Yeah.
it school back then?
Yeah, they called it, had to learn the 3 R's. Rubbins, racing, and arithmetic.
Arithmetic.
Yeah, drill it.
Yeah. Hold on.
So now we're going to be drilling this hole on one side, and then we're going to break for the day.
Break for the day. Angle. To see in there or not. Anyway, y'all get the idea.
Now what?
You didn't call the landlord?
We weld.
Well, nothing else needs to be
I
drilled.
come in, water's running out of the power conduit.
Nope.
I'm going,
We
shit,
weld.
Don't drip on me, motherfucker.
Okay.
You know, and they didn't even call. I called her and told
All right.
To be continued tomorrow.
Because Uncle B has,
Mexican night,
yes.
Los Corrales,
Oh my.
9th and Broadway. Best Mexican place in the whole state of Kansas City.
Whole state of Kansas City. Oh, state of Kansas City confusion.
Yeah. And when you go there, mention that BME sent you there. Steve will love it. You gonna bolt it.
I got it. I got the look.
I know.
I can weld just as bad as he can.
We doing the $15 an hour weld or the 35?
Did I get a raise?
The better the quality, the higher the price. So if you want this quality,
Well, the company's going to hire a welder. So they have. The guy goes, well, you need to take a test. He goes, okay. So the first weld he put was like globbered balls.
is that how he got his nickname, Goober?
Then the second weld was real nice bald-headed men all in a row. Guy looks at that and he goes, well, I thought you said you could weld. What happened to the second one and the first one here? What's the deal? He goes, the top one, that's $15 an hour. That bottom one, that's $30 an hour.
That's right.
You get to the bolt. Get to the bolt.
Yeah, we can get to him. Oh, yeah.
Houston, we have a small problem.
I see that. She's out of plane.
Don't you have a hammer?
And a nail. Nothing's gonna be on this, is there? That one?
That and you want to sand that flat? Will make it easier.
Well, I need to figure out what happened here.
Whoa.
Having the magnet don't stick.
Cat-like reflexes. Too much welding on it. Okay, how'd I have that?
You're gonna have to stick one of the other magnets to the side of it so it'll work.
I'm gonna weld this one
I
up.
say you weld that one first, and then we can grind that other one flat, and then
Tack
yeah.
it, position.
Shit.
Okay.
Dead nut.
Zero.
And not much fast.
Right up here.
Yep, straight up down.
All right, turn that bad boy around. Let's see what we got.
We'll do it on this side. That way we can tell them it's perfect. That's 0.
50, what?
30. 43.
43. That's fine.
Yeah,
It's pretty dang close. Because when we hang it from the down rod with the bar, it's self-leveling.
It's gonna self-level.
Yeah.
No, I call that 45.
I don't know, that subpar work.
Well, no, it'd be right because the horizon drops off,
Horizon.
so we're square to the horizon. I'm gonna weld it if you're happy.
If not, we got more steel to make more, right?
Yeah, that's the piece I brought in originally, and look how thick that shit
Ah, I
is.
see that, quarter inch.
I had that lying around. He's like, it's still going to be lying around.
Use that to raise the roof.
Yeah.
Take a gusset out of it.
Right.
Pick it up.
What's your eyes? Okay. Whoop.
preparation is everything.
Yes. Yeah, ask the Chiefs. Preparation is everything.
Like preparation H.
They need it after that one.
Would that be a yabbit?
Yeah, but we're the AFC champions. That doesn't mean boop until the ending.
We can.
Let us pray. Gusset or no gusset?
I don't think it's gonna need.
I don't think so either.
Sign off on that.
That's probably gonna go in the trash.
Nice.
The round file.
Cut it all the way through. We're good.
Oh, there you go.
Not that hole again. Just drop that one through and you'll see
Which step does it?
Yep. We're good.
What about the that thing?
Huh?
The actual ceiling fan bracket itself. Does it need to be stepped?
Yep. But it's slotted.
Right. Just do the holes that he
Sledded
that he.
right there and right there. See where they are? And we'll get somewhere we can go through. There we go. Yep. Come back this way.
This ought to be fun.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Hello.
would say this ought to be fun. Mighty fine work, gentlemen. So here we are at Uncle Bob's where we do everything but build motors at the machine shop.